Hello guys, welcome to today's post-market analysis. So to begin with, let's open optionworld.tech. For guys that are new here, optionworld.tech is basically a website which can provide aftermarket data and live market data to assist you with your trading journey. And there are multiple options on here which you can explore. And currently I'm doing this series where I post analysis and trades that were taken on based on the live data and the post market data, and I'll keep on uploading them after every trading session. So to begin with, we'll start FIA data. We'll start with FIA data. We'll wait for it to load. Okay. So as of 13th August, so yesterday's activity shows that in FIA future there was some net selling happening there, and in options there was buying happening, and in cash market selling has happened, and stock futures selling has happened as well also. So FIA activity suggests that the market will be neutral to slightly bearish. So moving on to the index levels that we provide in the WhatsApp group, I've given the link in the description below. So these were the levels for Nifty. Buy level was 24,075 and sell level was 24,350. Nifty the entire day stayed between that range and did not do much. So in Nifty the levels did not provide a trade. Let's look at Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty we can see that in the morning it immediately crossed our buy level of 49,800, and it stayed below that level and did not hit our stop loss. It came very close to it over here at 9:30, but it did not hit our stop loss, so it remained in that range between our buy level and the SL level. So overall we would have gotten loss on this index level. There is a website called runalgo.in. I'll show you guys runalgo.in. Basically what this website is how we showed you these levels. Based on the levels, it will automatically trade either a call or a put. So if you sign up to this website, you'll initially have a interface like this. Then what you'll do is go to here and go to broker and exchanges. Then click on add broker, and over here you will be able to add your broker. We currently provide 10 to 20 brokers are integrated currently. So you can add your broker from there, and then once you have done that, you go to strategies, and this index level trader, you can purchase it for 600 rupees, and once you purchase it and deploy it into your account, it will automatically trade into your account. Given that you have logged in every morning, it will trade into your account automatically. So that's the thing. Moving on, we'll look at live market data. So we'll start with OI analysis as per usual. Okay, so we'll start in the morning. So over here at 9:25, we can see that all three conclusions were bearish in Bank Nifty at 9:25. Okay, so wait a second. So over here we can see that the future and VWAP conclusion is bearish. COI has turned from a strong bullish to a bearish. and MMA conclusion is also bearish, right? Okay. So our conclusion for towards the market at 9:25 will be that it is bearish. So at 9:25, and then over here at 9:40, all three conditions turned bullish instantaneously, like at that one particular candle, all three conditions. So we would have then gotten into our a bullish trade, and at 9:55, the data was mismatched. So let's first look at those three candles, and then we'll look at the other ones. But majority of the time, data was like a bit here and there. We got a good sustainable data from 11:30 up until 12:05, or and then yeah, up until 14:05 we got a bearish data, a strong bearish data in Bank Nifty from 10:05 to from 11 11:10 to that. Okay, so from this candle, from this one candle, I'll show you guys. From this 11:10 candle all the way up until 14:05 we got a bearish signal over here. So basically, as you can see, the market did not move much in that particular range. It stayed as it is, and in the morning when it turned from bearish to bullish in that. So at 9:25 to 9:40, we can see 9:25. So here, over here we got a bearish signal while the market was going up, and then when it showed a bullish trend, the market came down. So the data was this particular summary indicator did not function well. The main reason being that the market was very close to its MMA. So the MMA was 774, and the market was really like it closed at the MMA. So we can see that, and we have observed that before, that if the market is near its MMA, the chances are right for it to be range bound for some time before giving a breakout. And today it did not give a breakout at all. So when it's near the MMA, we have to be very cautious about when we are going to enter, and we need good strong data. So for that we'll go to PCR OI. For the strong data we'll see over here. So in the morning at 9:25 over here, the data was, as you can see, although the PCR had just turned from bullish to bearish over there. Wait, I'll do 7 strikes here, sorry. 7 strikes, so we can get a better idea over here. So over here at 9:24, although the OI was negative, but the PCR was only 0.97. So this is a bearish setup, but not a very strong bearish setup, because the PCR is very nominal. Okay, and at 9:40 over here, there was a bullish PCR, but as you can see, it wasn't very strong for it to be concluded as a bullish trade. And at it was 11 o'clock we saw the third time. So over here, as you can see, although we got a sell signal, the PCR itself was 0.99. So it was very close to that one range, like the bullish and bearish. It was very close to it. That's why the market did not fall, because the PCR was very close to 1, where it's going to be neutral. The market will remain neutral. So today, if we looked at the PCR as well, we would have seen that although the main summary indicator had all three conditions as on the same direction, but the PCR was very low, nominal for it to actually go in that particular direction. And since there was no breakout, TOI function won't show any proper data, but I'll show it to you as well if you guys want. So over here in the morning, it tried to break this 700 level. It was trying to go below 700 and above 800 throughout the entire day. So we can see that 49,700. I'll open 49,700. Yep. Okay. So as you can see, throughout the whole day, there was not many red OI change trends, not any large red OI change trends, and the whole day the difference in PE and CEOI was bullish. So there was no chance the market will go below that 49,700 level, and we'll look at 49,800 as well as we are here. If it's gonna let me, okay, wait, I'll refresh it. Okay, 49,800, and as you can see throughout the whole day, there was this one particular candle, but the PCR was very nominal for it to actually count towards a bullish trend. So as you can see throughout the whole day, it was saying that no, there is no chance it will go above this level 49,800, and as you can see the market practically remained in that particular range, in that 100-point range. As you can see throughout the whole day, there was some tries for it to break down here and here, and break up over here and there, but it did not do anything there. Like it wasn't enough for it to explode in that particular direction. So I'll show you guys Nifty, what would have happened today in Nifty. It would have probably been the same story in Nifty as well. Okay, we'll start here. So at 9:25 we can see it was bearish, and then at 9:45 it wasn't completely bullish, but it two of the conditions it did show bullish, so we would have exited that trade over here. We would have lost around 20 points there. Then over here we would have exited, entered into a bearish PE side. Then at 10:10 we would have exited because of this future and VWAP condition. So over here we would have lost another 20 points, 24 points approximately. So then we would have give me a sec. Yep, okay. We looked at this one, 10:10, and then over here it did, but then after two candles we would have exited. So that is it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.